Bertha Mathilde Müller was born October 28, 1848, Vienna, died January 26, 1937, Vienna, was an Austrian portrait painter. From 1877 to 1879, she attended the preparatory school at the University of Applied Arts. For 10 years, from 1880, she and Marie worked in their brother Leopold's studio at the Academy of Fine Arts, taking additional lessons from him. There, they met August von Pettenkofen, who became a sort of mentor. He died in 1889, and left his studio to them in his will. They worked there until 1902, when they were evicted, then opened their own studio. She also worked in Stuttgart, and was a member of the Women Artists Association. From 1903 to 1907, she never became as well known as her sister, and exhibited little, although she participated in a showing in the rotunda of the Woman's Building at the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago.